X-Vision 525. Enhance your clinical capabilities with affordable and efficient with digital X-ray system. The new vision of your image. X-Vision 525 digital X-ray system, affordable and efficient with easy path. X-Vision 525 is the most efficient choice applicable for both digital and analog environments. Rotating tube stand. The powerful rotating anode tube with dual focal spots. Exposure from various angles and easy and fast positioning. Accurate and comfortable patient's positioning. Wall bucky stand. Wide range of vertical travel. Smooth movement of bucky devices. Four-way floating table. Smooth workflow with comfortable and easy patient positioning. The large range of longitudinal and transversal movements. User-concentrated interface. Feel comfortable throughout simplified workflows with intuitive and user-friendly interface. Numerous anatomical programmed radiography, APR, for optimized image quality at low dose. The digital compatible and field upgradable system offers the most cost-effective solutions and the great versatility in any clinical environment. Compatible support with various detectors, integrated DR, ideal for both conventional and digital application.